Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Barkamu da dawowa Arewa Forex YT, sunana AbdulFX aka King of Northern Sniper Entry. So yau wannan video yana son ka mana market breakdown na Euro USD. So kamar yadda kuka gani last week na dropping breakdown and opportunity in the Israel market is very less, but still, we are able to capitalize on the market. So week the name so about when full update about the marketing yake, most especially on Euro USD. Saboda Euro USD, that's my favorite pair. So now if you trade in one pair then, so zan ba mu breakdown na Euro USD from the chart. So kamar yadda muke kallo from the monthly time frame, muka duba monthly time frame then zamu ga cewa current market structure din nan is bearish, saboda muka duba muna da high anan, muka samu high low, muka samu muna da high, muka samu low, muka samu lower high, yanzu mun samu lower low. The next thing that muke expecting is a lower high before a continuation. But amma kamar yadda muka sani, higher time frame that is just there the mana call for understanding direction the markets in ZJ. So ba nan bane main focus namu. So coming to the weekly time frame, daga wannan time frame din zamu iya fara building story namu. Mun gane ko zamu iya fara building story, looking for reasons da zai sa mu taking trade ko kuma inda zamu fara looking for direction da muke expecting in the market so mu zai iya zuwa. So looking at the weekly time frame, in muka duba structure da zamu ga we have wannan last high day creating wannan loading nan, but amma ba be taking out nashi ba. Market is we kara creating wannan loading nan kafin muka taking out na wannan last high din nan. So which means wannan high din nan muna da just on the weekly time frame is just a liquidity sweep. So we will not consider it as a break of market structure. So that we consider it as a break of market structure now from the weekly. So which means overall move then the muke da shi is from wannan low din nan da wannan high din nan wurin nan is still in between wannan low din nan da wannan high din nan. So looking at the weekly time frame, zamu ga nan wurin nan muna da wannan weekly time frame breaking market structure, which is telling us that current situation na markets ko kuma trend na market is bullish trend from the weekly time frame, but amma muna da temporarily pullback for a next continuation namu to the upside. Saboda muka duba nature na market din, duk inda muke da impulse zamu samu correction, muna da impulse dole zamu samu correction. So muka duba na zamu ga impulse is to the upside da mun samu correction. So which means muna da wannan impulse mun samu correction. So the next move da muke expecting yanzu nan is another impulsive move for a continuation na marketing to the upside. Sannan muka duba a nan wurin nan zamu ga muna da level of demand a nan wurin nan. So wannan is a strong key level wanda zamu yi looking for trade a wannan level din nan. So coming to the daily time frame, so if you look at on the daily time frame, last time that they drop in analysis muna da wannan imbalance na wanda we call the trade from there. Muka ce za mu expect muga pricing ya pushing all the way to the upside wanda zai kawo mu har zuwa wanda zai kama har zuwa wannan high din nan, but unfortunately marketing bai kai ba. It just make the little pullback as we kind of taking out some liquidity, sannan marketing ya fara drop into the downside. So what do we have this week? Abinda muke da shi a week din nan, if you look at the market is looking so kind of very interesting nature. Saboda in muka duba from wannan low din nan they causing out na breakouts din nan, if we draw our premium and discount, the pricing is already on a discount price, which is below 0.5 equilibrium. And wannan zone din na ko kuma ce wannan level din is a level wanda yake is a very very sensitive areas in the zamu looking for trade that's in price and in a premium zamu fara looking for sell trades, kuma price and on a discount zamu fara looking for buying trading setup. So when the price ya kawo discount which is below 0.5 and muna da demand level a nan wurin nan, so price ya tapping into demand level din nan. So what are we expecting now? From next week zamu fara expecting maga market to ya fara pushing up to the upside din nan, domin ya zo ya kawo ya ci gaba da making continuation of its impulsive movement da muke da shi. But let's look at much lower time frame. Let's see what we have on the smaller time frame. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, in muka duba 4-hour time frame zamu ga muna da wannan move din nan, and then looking into liquidity zamu ga cewa if you draw a trend line like this zamu ga muna da wannan trend line liquidity din nan, which means price is going to we will be expecting marketing as well taking out wayannan liquidities in da suke wayannan trend lines in. So but we follow structures, so since we follow structures we need to see what the structure is doing in the 4-hour time frame. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, let's start from them. Zamu ga muna da low, lower low, muna da lower high, muna da lower low. Market is creating one lower high, then muna da one lower low. So next thing that we expecting is a lower high, and from one lower high, then we'll be expecting to see the market takes out the away levels in pushing all the way to the upside. So on the 4-hour time frame, muka duba zamu ga cewa muna da last breaking market structure now, which is this. So this is our last 4-hour time frame breaking market structure. When the breakouts and it happened into daily time frame demand level, so which is a very nice double confirmation da zamu ce muna da shi. So zamu using one as a this is a breakout, then we can start expecting a pullback, and pullback then we can expect to see our pullback all the way back to level of supply then da muke da shi, and also probably we might expect to see something like this from next week muga price side pulling back back to when supply level din da muke da shi. So but I'm currently using 4-hour time frame to judge the market, because I believe a lot of us might start looking for trade from the much smaller time frame. So zamu digging deep into like M15 time frame, then from M15 we'll be able to start plot out abubuwan da zamu fara looking for entry. So if you look at M15 and wurin nan bari cire wannan for now. If you look at M15 and wurin nan zamu ga cewa muna da wannan last high da ya create wannan low, sai muka samu lower high, price sai breaking wannan market structure din nan anan to the downside, ya create mana lower low, muka samu lower high anan, sai muka kara samu wannan lower low din nan, because in muka duba cikin zone din nan zamu ga cewa wannan new low din nan yayi break in wancan previous low, which is this. So let me take out way na pick up for now, just for the sake of transparency and clarity. So muka duba nan zamu ga cewa nan mun yi breaking wannan low din nan, ya create wannan low, sai muka samu lower high, and then wannan low din nan da muke da shi ma also got broken. So on the 15-minute time frame, wannan shine last break of market structure da muke da shi a nan wurin on the 15-minute time frame. So mun ga break of market structure, sai muka fara ganin pullbacks maybe, and the pullbacks here on the 15-minute time frame already muka drawing premium and discount zamu ga cewa ya riga ya kai premium price, then it's time for it to start selling, and shine fara wannan selling din. So since we are tapping into daily time frame demand level, and abinda muke expecting shine marketing mai ci gaba da tafiya to the upside, inda zamu samu mu fara kama bullish trend movement. So muna da wannan high din nan, which is the last high da muke da shi da causing our wannan break of structure din nan. So in this case what we'll be waiting for zuwa next week is to see pricing we are breaking nan, mu samu wannan 15-minute time frame change of character. So zamu looking for new demand level, and then we can start expecting to take our trade back all the way zuwa sama din nan, wannan inda na sa wannan lines din nan, which is this wannan area da yake a can sama, which is a swing, ko kuma zamu fara looking into targeting into wannan 4-hour time frame supply da yake a nan wurin nan. But one more thing a nan wurin da nake so in kara in putting out a nan wurin nan, members na Arewa Forest community kamar yadda muka sani, duk time da muke da zone zamu yi looking for pattern, and kun san pattern da nake magana, which is like the secret pattern wanda muke using nashi makama sniper entry. So within wannan zone din zamu yi looking for war zone namu based on the pattern. Muka looking for war zone namu, then definitely we can expect to start seeing the trade all the way to the upside. Probably from this week zamu samu clean pattern a cikin nan wurin nan, wanda zamu taking trade zuwa maybe supply level din nan, wanda at least na san zai ba mu kusan more than 130 or 150 risk reward, as long as the market will go on our favor har ya kawo wannan supply level din nan. In kuma market sun zai ci gaba da pushing all the way through har zuwa wannan highest highs nan, so we are going to have a crazy risk reward wanda zamu yi holding for the trade, as long as how long it can take zamu holding trade now har zuwa wannan levels din. So for now, for the sake of our viewers and Arrow Forex YT, so wannan shine this is just the market breakdown, and this is exactly what we'll be looking for from next week inshallah. And then on Euro USD, if we saw any the first confirmation shine maka breakout na wannan high din nan wanda zai ba mu change of character, so maka ga wannan change of character din is a nice confirmation. Then zamu looking for pullbacks back to any demand level da muke da shi on the higher time frame, so zamu looking for trades now to the upside. So wannan shine market breakdown na Euro USD for this week. I hope I'm going to explain it and I'm going to breaking nashi from higher time frame har zuwa M15 is very very clear, kuma zai zama cewa za ku yi taking advantage, za ku capitalizing akan wannan. So tare da ni Abdul Fx a wannan video nake ce ma kowa da kowa mu huta lafiya.